call a retail store anywhere and you saw a display and you looked at it head on and you were like, you will be mine. That's exactly what happened to me yesterday when I walked past the Bose store over at the Tampa Mall. These are the Alto Bose Frames with built-in Bluetooth audio and a killer microphone so people can hear you, and they work phenomenal. We tried them out in the stores, connected them to a phone, and instantly fell in love. I got myself the Alto pair because I feel this shape goes with my face a little bit better. Gabe got the Rondo pair, and they go with him pretty well. As soon as he opened up the box, he put them on and started using them. Now, for him, he might get a little bit more use out of them than me. I'm probably going to use mine when I'm in the car, walking down the road, going for a walk, maybe walking the dog, all sorts of stuff. But with him, he's in the car, on the go, he has the glasses on, the Bluetooth is the glasses, so he can jump in and out of the car. He's a realtor, so he shows houses, so it's instant productivity. He doesn't have to stop and slow down. Let me disconnect from the phone, reconnect to my other Bluetooth. It's all built into the glasses and it works phenomenal. Let's dig into the box, see what we got, and then let's see how easy it is to set it up. All right, so here's the box. It comes in small and large. I, of course, got the large as my head is a little bit rounder than most people's. And let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. So, nice sturdy box, which is always a good sign. And it looks like everything is in here. I got excited for a second. I thought that was a peel-off sticker that I could put on my MacBook. But it's not. Alright, so this is our little manual we got. Not really much to it. It basically tells me that we have to download the Bose Connect app, which I already have. Let's take a look at this guy. It's got nice little Bose. They're printed inwards, so that looks and feels pretty good. This is definitely a premium case, which is a good sign from the very beginning. So this is nice and a little fuzzy there, so we got a little protection in there. Here's our glasses themselves. Let's take these guys out and let's take a little look at what we have going on. Got little Bose written in there on both sides. We've got our multi-function button, which, oh, now it's ready to connect. Just that quick. The thing moves quick, huh? Here we've got our little bag, and in here we have our very special and unique USB-B, right? Old school. It's yelling at us to go ahead and get it connected to start to set up. So we'll get there in just about a second. Now, if you look at these hinges, these are some premium looking hinges in there, which probably are not going to break. Jump down to the comments. Tell me what you guys think about this. I'm going to tell you the price tag on these is only $199. And you're thinking, Aaron, only $199? Yeah, I'm going to say only, because other technology, smart technology that works well, that sounds amazing, that's got good Bluetooth connectivity, is going to run you anywhere from $199 up to $300. Easy, no problem at all. These, they don't look bad. They feel phenomenal. There's a little bit of beef on the side here, but nothing that we can't overcome. Let's get them on. Let's get them paired up and let's see how they sound. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pair mine up to my Bose Connect app. Let's see how quick these pair up. You know, we're looking for ease. We don't want anything too complicated. So it says turn the product off and on. All right, so we got to hit the button. Came right up, came out of the box 70%. So it says easy peasy. Got to take the prescription glasses off, so I won't be doing a lot of reading with these. And it says connecting. So all I did was dragged it down and it's connecting. And let's see. So there we've got our multi-button again. Does everything, skip songs, take calls, powers off, charge your frames, you connect them to the thing. So these are pretty simple. And now let's hear how they sound. I'm gonna listen to Spotify. You're not, because I'll probably get demonetized if you hear my Spotify music. So we will put in some nice little fun, enjoyable music for you right now. some feedback for you guys, right? It's clear. It sounds good. It's not loud. And I just want to throw that out there. If you're looking to put something over your ears and it's screaming in it and it sounds amazing and you've got that sharp highs and those deep lows and all that stuff, that's not what these are, right? And you need to know that. These are glasses with built-in sound on both sides. Now, the other part that we haven't even talked about, which Bose hasn't said a whole lot about, but they've said it's coming, is audio augmented reality. They didn't go the virtual reality route because I asked them, hey, do you guys have something coming up with heads-up display in the near future? They said they looked into it, but it's not something they're looking to take to market at this time. That they feel that audio augmented reality is the way that they can deliver us the best, safest possible experience using our devices. So exactly what does audio augmented reality mean? I don't know. But if I had to guess, we're looking at more rich, deeper instructions, descriptions, ways to do things, I guess. We don't really know yet, but they sounded good, right? You have to realize what we're looking at is little speakers, right? Just itty bitty little speakers, and they're right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the speakers are there at the bottom on both sides. And when you put them on, it puts the music down into your ears, just ever so slightly down into your ears. So it's not stuffed in your ears, it's not over your ears. This is a new sensation, a new experience, something you're probably not used to, just like me. I can be in my car, which I'm wearing my glasses because I live in Florida, my sunglasses, and I can drive, take a call, get out of the car, continue the call, go into the gas station, go into the grocery. Sure, I might look a little jerky walking around with sunglasses inside the grocery store, but hey, it's my business. I'll do what I want to do. You know, mind your business, people. Mind your business. Oh. I guess I should finish the video. I forgot what I was doing. This is what happens when you get old. You just forget what you're doing and you start looking at your glasses. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you really like what you saw, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you know when my videos come out and we can interact together and you can become part of the community. For the Love of Tech is always doing a giveaway. That's why we love to give stuff away to you. So go ahead, go down into the description, click on the Gleam link, enter to win, find out what you gotta do. We're giving away smartphones, we're giving away smart home technology, we're giving away all sorts of amazing things. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate all your support that you've shown me and the channel. For the Love of Tech. Till next time, namaste.